A lot of people feel the call of the mountains. For some, it's the call to adventure. For others, it's more spiritual. And then there are those who want to get lost in an attempt to find themselves. But for me, it's simply about finding inspiration. I'm Stuart D'Costa, a musician, a songwriter. Where most people wait all week for Friday, all year for summer, and all life for happiness. I simply travel. The Valley of the Gods, Manali's cold snow, the warm people, their love for music, and their love for food. All my favorite things resonate with the soul of this place. The river is my muse. The wind whispers tunes in my ear. I see words for songs wherever I look. The Jogni Falls is sacred to the Vashist village. The goddess protects them. This place has an otherworldly peace to it. I'm not a pro, but I think skiing is one of the most exhilarating ways to travel. Complete harmony with nature. Just you and the wild snow. Not too many temples are dedicated to the demons. And this is what makes the Hidimba Devi temple so fascinating. The breathtaking ski slopes and the raw natural beauty of Manali are the perfect backdrop to the warm service at Stirling. I want to know every corner of this land and discover something new every time. But there will always be another peak to climb, always another valley to cross. But I'll go on, knowing that when I'm tired and need to inspire myself, Manali will be right here.